correspondent, headmaster, teachers, and my dear students. Today we all celebrate the 77th Republic Day of our nation. On January 26, 1950, our Indian Constitution came into effect, making India a sovereign, democratic, and republic country. This day reminds us great sacrifice, our freedom, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who gave the future as the future. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Once again, I wish you a happy Republic Day. Today we are talk about the Constitution.
Good morning everyone. My name is Julia. I am studying 7th standard. Our Constitution is the law of our country. It gives us rights and duties. It teaches acts as equality and justice. We must respect and follow it. Thank you.
The Constitution was written by great leader Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, played a key role of its protection of India. It makes our condition strong.
Good morning everyone. My name is Angela. I am studying 6th standard. The Constitution gives us freedom. It treats everyone as equal. No one is above law. This makes India a democracy. Constitution came into force on the 26th January. This is why we celebrate Republic Day. It shows unity in diversity. We are the proud Indians. Let's promise to follow the Constitution. Let's use be honest and citizens. Thank you.
Sarigaran, I am studying in 9th standard. The Constitution is the backbone of our country. It gives us the value that guide our lives and keep our nation united. This value include equality, freedom, justice and dignity for all. Equality means that everyone is treated the same, no matter the caste, religion, gender, for background. Freedom allows us to speak our thought, follow our belief and live our lives without fear. Justice ensures right will be punished fairly. Thank you. Happy Republic Day.